So this one is about the linear probing, what we have discussed in the morning class. That is, in the linear probing, what we are going to do means, if a collision occurs after applying the hash function, that is in the same slot of hash table, we are going to store the more than one key in that situation. Then that situation is called as collision will occur. So that in order to avoid that collision, we are using collision resolution techniques or methods. So the first method what we have discussed is linear probing. In linear probing, what will happen means we are going to apply the same function similar to the division method, that is the modulo division method, where we are going to do the modulo division for the key by the maximum number of size of the hash table. Here the maximum number of the hash table is 26 in this example. So that's why for each and every key we are going to apply the hash key, that is h of k, which is equal to k modulus 26. K will be the depending the key, and then the modulo 26 means 26 is the maximum size of the hash table. So that's why from 0 to 25 we will be having the entries of the inside the hash table. So here we are going to have the, that is 28, the first key is 28. So 28 mod 26. 28 modulo division 26.
2, sir.
2, sir.
2, sir.
So in second location it is going to enter. In the second index it is going to enter. Next one is 61. 61 modulo division 26. You do my
9, sir.
all of you do in the note 61 modulo division 26 and tell the remainder. 61 modulo division 26.
9, sir.
9, sir.
So in the ninth location we are going to get 61. 99 modulo division 26. 99 modulo division 26.
21.
21. 21, sir.
In 21 we are going to insert 99. Next one is 35. So 35 modulo division 26. We are going, where it is? 35 modulo division 26.
9.
Nine. But in already 9, what is the element that is being allotted? Already in the ninth index.
61.
61 is there.
61.
Can we insert?
No, sir.
No. So what is that situation? What is
The
this
next
situation? No. What is this situation?
Next.
Next index.
No, ma. What is this situation? If you want to have more than one key at same index or same slot, then that situation is called what?
Collision, sir.
Collision.
This is called collision. So there we got the collision situation occurred. So that's why what we have to do means we have to go for the next empty slot. So next empty slot will be what? 10. So after 9, what is the empty slot? We have available 10. So that's why we are going to insert 35 into the index 10. So what about the 9?
0.
9 ma.
0, sir.
0.
12.
So 9 we are going to insert at 11. So what about 55? 55 modulo division 26. 55 modulo division 26.
4.
4.
24.
3, sir.
So that's why we are going to insert at third location, that is 55. So in this way we are going to insert the elements in the linear probing.
Here probing.
So next one is the method that is called as quadratic probing. So how we are
Quadratic
going to
probing.
see the quadratic probing here. So quadratic probing is going to apply for the number of collisions, that is for f of k, which is equal to f of k plus t square modulo division m. So that is t means t is equal to first time of collision, second time collision, third time collision, so and so on. So if there is no collision, it will be 0. If there is first time collision, it will take 1, that is 1 square. If we take second time it is collision for the same key,
2
for the 2 square, which is equal to 4. If there is third time collision occurred, 3 square, which is equal to 9.
9.
So in this way, it is called quadratic probing. That is, we just square the collision number whenever it is occurred. So in that, after that squaring, we will do the modulo division of the resultant number, and then in that modulo division, what we get the remainder, we are going to choose into the hash table. So now you see the example of quadratic probing, you can understand easily. So first one is, what is the value what we got here? 10. So 10 modulo division 10, which is equal to 10. So that's 0 remainder. So that's why in 0 index we are going to enter 10. So similarly, in 15 modulo division 10, we are going to get the remainder 5. So that's why in the 15 index we are going to enter 15. In 16 modulo division 10, I am going to get the remainder of 6. So that's why at 16 index we are going to enter
16.
We are going to enter 16. So in 20 modulus 10, we are going to get the remainder of, we are going to get the remainder of
2.
2.
0.
1 second. See here,
Zero,
carefully.
sir.
See here carefully. See here carefully. So this is the first collision or second collision?
First collision.
So by first collision. So that's why we are going to do the square of that 1 square. So that's why what we will get, 10 plus 1 square
1
mod
square.
20. 10 plus 1 square mod 20. 10 plus
21.
10 plus 1 square mod 20. 10 plus 1 square ఎంత మా?
11.
11 modulus 10 ఎంత? Remainder ఎంత వస్తుంది?
1, sir.
1.
One.
So that's why we index 1, we are going to insert 20. Are you getting all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now for 30 modulo division 10.
0.
0, but 0 is there with 10. So we are going to get the division of second time collision. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Second time
Yes,
collision. So that's why what we are going to do, 10 plus 2 square.
2 square.
So 30 plus 2 square, sorry, 30 plus f of k, k plus 2 square, 34 modulo division 10. Now what we get?
4.
4. So in the fourth
Four.
index, I am going to get remainder value. So that's why I will insert 30 in fourth index. అర్థమవుతుంది మా ఇప్పుడు fourth index లో ఎందుకు ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు?
Yes, sir.
So key value plus I square. I means, that is T means the number of collision. So already in 0th location, first collision occurred. This is the second collision. So that's why, yeah, that is the key value plus number of collision. That is second collision. So it is 2 square, that is equal to 4. So 30 plus 2 square, that is 30 plus 4 modulo division 10. 34 modulo division 10, which is equal to remainder 4. So that's why in fourth index we are going to insert 30. So similarly, you tell me for 25. 25.
5, sir.
5, but it is already having the key value of 15. So that's why what we have to do,
1 time.
one time collision. So 25 plus 1 square modulo division 10.
6.
26 modulo
Six, sir.
division 10. 6. But 6 is having already 16.
6.
6 is having already 16. Second time collision. Now you do 25 plus 2 square modulo division 10. 25 plus 2 square.
9.
Second time collision.
9.
So that's why 25
Nine,
plus
sir.
t is equal to 2. 2 square is equal to 25 plus 4.
Four.
29 modulo division 10.
9.
Remainder 9. So in the ninth index we are going to insert 25.
25.
25.
So 26. Now you tell for 26.
6.
First collision.
First collision. So that's why 26 plus 1
Seventh
square modulo
index.
division 10. 26 plus 1 square modulo
Seventh
division 10.
index.
27 modulo division 10, which I will
Yeah,
get
one, sir.
remainder 7. So in the seventh
Seven.
index I am
Seven.
going to insert 26. Next one is 36. 36
Second
modulo
collision.
division 10. 36 modulo division 10. 6.
6, sir.
So there is no chance. Already 16 is there. Already 16 is there. So next one,
7. 9th index.
36 plus 1 square modulo division 10. First collision. So 37 modulo division 10, what we get? 37 modulo division 10.
7, sir. Second
Seven, sir.
7th index.
Second
7
collision.
already it is there, 26. No collision will occur. Collision may be possible. What we have to do?
Second collision.
36 plus 2 square modulo division 10.
40.
40 modulo division
0.
10.
0.
Already there.
0.
10 is there in 0.
Third collision.
Third collision. Third collision.
36 plus 3 square divided by modulo division 10. 36
9.
plus
9.
9. 36 plus 9. How much?
45.
45 modulo division 10.
5, sir.
5.
5. 5 it is already there. 15.
Fourth collision.
Fourth collision. 36 plus 4 square modulo division 10. 36 plus 4 square 16. 36 plus 16.
52.
52
Second
modulo
index.
division 10.
52
Second.
seconds.
52
Second
modulo
index.
division
Second
10.
index.
Yes, I can have second index, it is empty. So that's why I can accommodate 36 into second index. Clear all of you what is how to do the quadratic probing?
Yes,
Yes,
How to
sir.
do the quadratic probing. So in linear probing, quadratic probing, what is the difference mean? In linear probing, we will just look for the next empty sort sequentially in a linear fashion. Whereas in the quadratic probing,
Quadratic
we are going
probing.
to count
Quadratic.
the number of collisions, and for the number of collision, we will do the square. If it is first collision, 1 square. If it is second collision, 2 square. If it is the third collision,
square.
3 square. If it is fourth
Three
collision,
square.
4 square, and so on. And then we have to add and then do the modulo division, and then enter the remainder value as the index. So this is about how you do the quadratic probing. Now we'll just calculate with the help of this table. So here you tell me the modulo division value. By default it is 10. You can have maximum it is 26. Anybody, what is the table size you want? You can tell that.
15.
15, okay. So first one we will go for the linear probing. There we enter 35 modulo division 15.
5, sir.
5.
5, sir.
So in the fifth location, is it visible all of you? Is it visible table?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why 35, which is equal to 15 2s are 30. So 2 into 15 plus remainder is 5 plus 5.
5.
So 1 enough. So that's why in the fifth location index I got 35. You tell one more integer. Anybody?
30.
30. Okay. 30 modulo division 15. Where it will enter?
0,
Zero.
sir.
Sir.
0.
0, sir.
Okay, it is entered. Next one, you tell any randomly one more integer.
45.
45. If I enter 45, collision will occur. So 45 modulo division 15, what is the remainder?
0.
Zero, sir.
Yes, ma'am?
Zero.
0, sir.
0. So remainder will be 0. Okay, so that's why it is entered in 0th index. Next one, you tell another number.
96.
96. Okay, good. 96 modulo division 10, 15. Meere cheppandi. You only tell that.
6. 6.
Remainder.
6.
6, sir.
So in the 6th index, I will enter 96. Somebody you tell them one more number.
79.
79. Okay. 79.
4, sir.
4. Remainder 4. Remainder 4. What is the remainder?
Yes, sir.
4. Okay.
79.
4, sir.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You tell me one more number.
55, sir.
55. So what you will get? Remainder.
10, sir.
10 is the
10.
remainder. Okay. Okay, G3. G3, you tell the number. Only G3 talk. Respond. Roll number G3, 4G3. Tell a number. D5. D5.
36, sir.
D5, 36.
Yes, sir.
What you will get?
6, sir.
6, but it is there. Is it possible to, in remainder 6th index can we enter? Can we enter?
No, sir.
So where we have to
7th
enter?
location.
Only నేను అడిగిన వాళ్ళు మాత్రం చెప్పండి. Only the person what I will ask, it will respond. So 7, you have entered 36. Okay, good. F9. F9. Okay, in this way we are going to enter the values of inside the linear probing. So now we go for the quadratic probing. Here we are going to take the modulus value for 0, that is 10, and then we'll enter the integer. We'll go for quadratic probing. So we'll go for 25. So 25 modulo division 10, in 5th location it will enter. And next one we will go for 76, like that. It will enter in 6th location. As it is empty, we'll get the remainder of 6. We'll go for 22. Is 22. Next we'll go for 35.
Sir, if you enter same number, what happens, sir?
If you enter the same number, already
Yes, sir.
is there. Why we
25.
can't? Why we have to enter? Already it is there. Why we have to enter again? It won't give the answer. It will just, as it is, it will be there. We can't have the duplicate keys. You can have n number of keys. So this one is the thing. So we'll go for one more integer, something like 98. 98 modulo division 10, we will get in 8th position. We are going to index. We are going to enter. And next one, look for 12. So 12, you will enter. It will go for 22. So it is collision is occurred. So that's why it is first time collision. So that's why 12 plus 1 square modulo division 10. So 13 modulo division 10 we will get 3. So in the third index we are going to enter 12. So similarly, if you have something like 86, it will go to the next location of 86. It will add one first time collision, it will go for next one. So we will go for again 42. See what will happen. So 42 has entered in 1. Why ma? If you enter, it will enter in 1. Why?